Nice seal inside. Throw Rosario against a much smaller Banquero.
You're going to get a lot of that. You're going to find some mismatches when you push the ball, and that's why Rosario finding himself defended by Banquero.
Quinto will go down to the low block. Back to Akil. They send it out. 4-point shot on the way. And they miss everything.
That was gone twice to Akil Mitchell, but so far nothing has happened here for the Bulls.
Look to Holt. He'll give it back out. You can see Hodge there playing a little brace. His right arm does a steal. Mitchell in the open court. Hands it off. Quinto will finish. No, he won't. Being very patient on the Bulls. Quinto will overshoot. That was touched last by Hodge.
So far, Gineebra is doing a better job in rebounds. That was mentioned by Bill. Even without Mitchell, they got out-rebounded badly in that last game.
2-point lead for the Barangay early on here in quarter number 1. Scotty already with 4 points. We'll go to the corner. Rosario for 3. Yes! He's got a quick 5 points in the contest.
5 points from Rosario. All assisted by Scotty. Scotty is responsible for all 9 points here with Gineebra.